So we just got off of a homeowner's roof and she had quite a bit of hail damage up there. However, she had called her insurance about a month ago and was saying that she would like someone to come out and check it out. The insurance company actually told her that unless it's leaking, we're not coming out there. Now, mind you, that's actually illegal. They can't do that. That's what the insurance company said. So anyway, we got up there. I was able to do a full inspection, 360-degree property inspection, took photo documentation, everything, was able to explain to her everything going on, show her the damages, and she will be filing a claim this weekend. We're gonna have the insurance company come out. I will meet the adjuster out there, hop on the roof, go over the damages, and it should be a very easy win with getting the roof replaced, because in this neighborhood, the majority of all the roofs have been replaced probably in the last 2 or 3 months.